Good day, my name is Eureka Olivier and I'm the HOD of the Occupational Department at Northlink Tygerberg. Northlink College is a leader in the TVET sector in the Western Cape. Our focus is on providing the students with practical and theoretical skills in order for the students to prepare both for the working world and also for further studies. We have a very close relation with our industry partners in the Western Cape to provide industry experience to our students. Our partnership with CompTIA spans more than 13 years and has grown into the cornerstone of our ICT department at Northlink College. CompTIA qualifications allows our students to get international certifications, allowing them to be globally recognized. CompTIA also supports our staff development, aligning their current qualifications with global ICT trends. The collaboration between Northlink and CompTIA has strengthened, allowing our students access to skills and to be industry-ready graduates. As we conclude, we would like to congratulate all the nominees. We wish each and every one of you the best of luck, and may this recognition inspire you to continue to strive for excellence.